Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use tags to segment your contacts based on how they interact with one of your email campaigns. Now, the crucial thing here is I'm going to show you how to do this after you've already sent the email campaign and without needing any workflows. So this is going to be great for people that often perhaps have forgotten to create a workflow to segment your contacts automatically. You can actually just do this after the fact by following the instructions in this video. A great use case here is if you want to find the people that have already been engaging with your emails, such as opening the emails or clicking on links in your emails. You can actually go back in time and apply tags to all of those people so that you know who your most active and engaged contacts are. You can also go ahead and apply tags to people that maybe the email was never delivered to. Maybe the email bounced and you don't want to spend time and money trying to deliver more emails to them in the future because perhaps the email is just going to bounce every single time. So you could add a tag to those people retroactively as well. So really useful video, and I'm going to show you how to do this in the next couple of minutes. So first things first, of course, we want to dive straight into our HighLevel account. And from there, we want to click on marketing on the left-hand side of the screen. Once we are in marketing, we then want to click on emails at the very top of the screen. And once we are in emails, we then want to click on campaigns. It's on this page that we can see all the campaigns that we've already sent, as well as the campaigns that we've not sent yet. So if we need to, we can use this filter function on the right-hand side to show us only the campaigns that we have already sent, to make our lives a little bit easier. And from here, we want to go to the campaign that we specifically want to work with. Once we've chosen the campaign we want to work with, we want to click on these three dots on the right-hand side and click on statistics. This is going to open up this panel on the right, and it will give us a brief overview of how this campaign performed. But what we really want to do here is click on load more statistics, and it will take us to a much more granular breakdown of how this campaign performed on this page here. At the very bottom of this page, we'll see this list of contacts. This is everyone that the campaign was sent to, and you'll see here it's broken down into these different lists, these different segments, if you like. So we can very easily see everyone that the campaign was delivered to. We can see everyone that opened the campaign, everyone that clicked on a link in the campaign. We can see all of this at a glance. Now, if we want to, we can go ahead and select contacts from one of these lists. So say we want to apply a tag to everyone that opened this email campaign. We can do that by clicking on the opened list, selecting all of these names, and then over here, clicking on add tag. That will open up this box that you may recognize from other areas of the platform. And here you can either choose an existing tag from your list of tags that are already in your account, or if you need to, you can create a new tag directly from here as well. And here you're going to give a name to this action. Basically what we're doing here is we are performing a bulk action. A bulk action is anything that you do to multiple contacts at the same time. So here we're adding a tag to multiple contacts at the same time. Therefore, that's a bulk action, and therefore we want to give that a name. So if we ever need to go back in time in the future and try and figure out where did this tag come from? When did this tag get added to the contact? We can do that, and we're going to leave ourselves a descriptive note so that we can see why and when this action was performed. So this wants to be very simple, descriptive, and just a useful note for yourself for the future. Okay, so this might just be applied a tag to everyone that opened my email campaign from this date, or the name of the campaign if you want to. Then, if you want as well, you can activate this checkbox to prevent yourself from needing to do this again moving forward. This checkbox will automatically apply this tag to everyone that opens this campaign again in the future. So hopefully this has been a useful video showing you how you can use tags to retroactively segment your contacts after you've already sent them an email campaign without having to build a workflow ahead of time. If you have any questions about this, please don't hesitate to put them in the comments below the video. For more videos like this one, make sure to check out the Content Army playlist here on YouTube, or if you prefer reading, head over to HighLevel's blog. And also make sure to check out the help documentation for more guidance on the feature covered in this particular video. The links for all three of those things are linked below.